Hello everyone, as you know that there is voting of Legislative Assembly in Haryana on 5 October. Let's discuss with our teachers to know their opinion about voting and how voting is important in a common people of Haryana. So let's go to our SSC teacher. Hello ma'am.
Hello.
We don't know much about voting. Can you tell us why voting is important in a democracy?
Because elections are basis of our democracy. Through the election, we can change our leader, our government, and it is a give the chance to choose our favorite leader and the government. And the most important is my vote is my right.
Thank you so much ma'am for sharing your knowledge with us.
Hello ma'am. Hello Khushi. Ma'am, as we know that there is voting in Haryana on 5th October. Will you give your vote to desired candidate? Yes, why not? Okay ma'am. So can you tell us why is it important for young people to vote? I want to say that every young citizen above the age of 18 must cast their vote. And don't think that your vote doesn't matter. Every single vote counts. It's very important to choose a right leader. If we all vote together, we can choose a leader who care about the things we care about. And you should encourage your family and friends for vote. And for me, voting feels like I am a small player in a big game. Thank you so much, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, as we know that there is voting in Haryana and the right age of voting is 18. So can you tell us how can we encourage youth participation in election? As you know, we live in democratic country. Here, election and voting are vital for our people, our country. So we can encourage a number of things are there. We can encourage our youth. First of all, we can use social media platform because everyone is using phone and everyone is on such social platform. We can also organize some fun way, some events to encourage them. We can also relate them with some problems and some their certain requirements. We can teach them about election, and also we can use to teach them some nukkad nataks or and all. Thank you so much, ma'am.
May I come in ma'am? Hello ma'am.
Hello, beta.
We don't know much about voting. Can you tell us why is voting symbol important for us?
Voting symbol is important for us because a visual icon or logo represent a political party or a candidate on a bullet paper and campaign material.
Thank you so much ma'am.
I have a question. Can I ask you?
Yeah, why not?
My question is, whenever we go to vote, we take a voter card with us. So can you tell us why is voter card required to vote?
ओके सो पुराने टाइम में हमारे देश में राजतंत्र होता था. राजतंत्र का मतलब राजा का तंत्र. अगर वो राजा अच्छे से लीडरशिप नहीं करता था अपने देश का, तब भी हम उसको चेंज नहीं कर सकते थे. बट नाउ वी लिव इन डेमोक्रेटिक इंडिया. सो डेमोक्रेटिक इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा कैरेक्टरिस्टिक यही है, वी हैव अ राइट ऑफ गिविंग वोट्स. सो ये वोट देने की अथॉरिटी हमें वोटर कार्ड से मिलती है. दैट इज प्रोवाइडेड बाय द गवर्नमेंट. सो वोटर कार्ड जो है हमारा, वो हमारा आफ्टर 18 ईयर्स, ठीक है ना, वी हैव अ राइट ऑफ गिवन वोट्स. सो एक वोटर कार्ड के थ्रू ही हमें जो वोटिंग की, और उसके बाद जो है हमें जो है वी आर द कह सकते हैं अनदर वे, जो हम जो है नागरिकता हमें जो मिलती है हमारे इंडिया की नेशनैलिटी की, वो हमें वोटर कार्ड से ही मिलती है. सो इसलिए जो है वोटर कार्ड जो है हर एक पर्सन के लिए, हर एक सिविल पर्सन जितने भी है इंडिया के अंदर, सबको जो है जरूरी है सबके लिए कि उसके पास एक वोटर कार्ड होना चाहिए आफ्टर 18 ईयर्स, ठीक है ना. वी हैव अ राइट ऑफ गिवन वोट्स, ठीक है ना. सो इसीलिए हमें एक वोटर कार्ड की नीड होती है.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
हेलो मैम.
Hello, Khushi. Ma'am, as we know that one person, one vote, and every vote have equal value. So, can you tell us how can we use our vote to advocate for social good?
Okay, Krishi. First of all, we should know about our rights during the vote. And second, and most important, we should know there should not be any type of discrimination during the election. And third, which is also important, we should know the action plan of our candidate. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
We don't know much about. Can you tell us how does voting impact in our daily life?
Voting impact our daily life by making decisions. Who make decisions regarding road, transport facilities, healthcare, etc. We must utilize our voting powers in a proper way.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Now let's go to our principal, ma'am. May we come in, ma'am? Ma'am, I have a question. Can you tell us?
Yes.
So the question is, as you know that our school is also a polling booth. So what can your opinion about it?
As you know that our school is a polling booth, तो इसके बारे में बेटा मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि वोटिंग हमारा सबका एक अधिकार भी है और कर्तव्य भी। तो इसलिए मैं सभी से अनुरोध करना चाहूँगी कि वो अपने मत का प्रयोग जरूर करें, क्योंकि हमारा देश एक लोकतंत्र देश है और हम सभी को वोट देने का अधिकार है और उस वोट के माध्यम से, उस वोट की ताकत से ही हम आने वाली सरकार का चुनाव कर सकते हैं और हमारा ही ये फैसला गलत या सही का चुनाव करता है। तो इसलिए मतदान के दिन बाकी सभी कार्यों को छोड़कर मतदान करने अवश्य जाएं। थैंक यू।
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your knowledge with us.
Now it's your turn. You have gathered valuable insight from our teacher. So remember to register to vote if you are eligible. Educate yourself and others about the voting process and issues. Encourage your peers to participate in election. Every vote matters
And every voice counts.